All right, everybody. So fired up to be sharing this information with you guys. Some of you probably recognize what you're seeing on the screen. And you know that this is literally the step-by-step how-to manual that Jolene and I created after we learned how to use Facebook to build our business to the rank of diamond 2 separate times in 2 separate companies, folks. The information in this how-to manual has literally made us hundreds of thousands of dollars in personal income. In our prior network marketing company, we were stuck at the rank of gold for a long, long time until we figured out how to effectively use Facebook without spending any money, by the way, to recruit people, to continue to prospect. And then after we applied it again here with Faseo and it worked again, and we put in, I think, close to 20 founders in the very beginning from the exact steps in this manual, we decided to document it so that we could make it easier for our team to use. And then we realized, you know what? We're always operating from the giver's gain philosophy. And we're always operating under the principle that you can never outgive God. And when you sow abundantly, you're going to reap abundantly. And there's going to be a zillion people that are in network marketing that will never join us because they're excited about the opportunity that they're already in. But we still want to be able to add value and make an impact in their lives. So we basically turned this step-by-step process into basically an information product, because there's enough to go around, you guys. There's millions of people on the planet that want more out of life. And there are exponentially more people that will do network marketing not with our team than there are who will. And so for all those people that you're contacting while you're prospecting who they're just not ready to switch companies yet, now you can add value to their life because we have created a way that you can start to monetize your Faseo business even if they never join you. And so you guys want to first of all be using this manual as part of your prospecting, okay? This does not replace your belly-to-belly prospecting. This isn't something that goes in front of you contacting the people that you already have relationships with, but this is something that goes along with it. And again, you can sponsor dozens and dozens of people by applying and implementing the steps in this how-to guide, okay? And so we want you guys to be doing this and using this every single day. And as you're coming across people who aren't ready to make a move, this is where it gets really cool because we have basically created an affiliate program now where you can offer this how-to guide to anybody who's building a network marketing business who just isn't interested in switching companies, where you can still build your relationship with them and add value to them so that down the road when they are looking to switch, they're going to remember you. And so let me show you how to do this. I'm going to switch screens now, and I'm going to show you guys how to get to the place where you can take advantage of this affiliate program. So what happens is we've created a funnel for this product, and let me back up here and get you to the right spot. And so there's a ton of value just in the funnel itself, right? And so as you guys are, again, you're not going to post this link anywhere. You're not going to spam people with this, but as you're doing your prospecting and you come across people who they're just not looking to make a move at this moment in time, you're going to ask them, hey, if I shared a resource with you that might help you get even better results on Facebook with your prospecting and your sponsoring, would you be interested in looking at the information? They say yes. You're going to send them your link, okay, to this page. So there is the page here that gives them all of the information, you guys. And then what happens is when they click get instant access, it's going to take them to an affiliate sales page, all right? And so this is the affiliate sales page. The product's being provided on an affiliate platform called JVZoo. So here's how you guys make this work for you. You are going to come to JVZoo. You're going to set up a free account, okay, on JVZoo. And then it's 100% free. Once you've created your affiliate account, you're going to click on the affiliates button. You're going to click on find products, okay? And as soon as the screen loads, I'm going to show you that over here there is a keyword search field. And so in the keyword search field, you're going to put in magic wand. All right. And click the search button. Okay. And when you do that, here's the search results. This is our affiliate product. It's called the Network Marketing Sponsoring Magic Wand for Facebook, offered by Legacy Launchpad. You're going to click it, okay? And you're going to see that I was testing this out, so my button's not available. Right here where it says pending approval, you'll actually see a button that lets you request approval to become an affiliate, and then you'll get approved as an affiliate, and you're going to get paid 50% commission anytime somebody ends up buying this. And so there's smart coding in this buy button. If you're an affiliate on JVZoo and you're the one who sent people to this specific web page right here, it's going to know that they're connected to you. And so this is how you're going to do that. Once you've been approved as an affiliate on JVZoo, there will be a link. You'll receive an email notifying you that you've been approved specifically for the Network Marketing Sponsoring Magic Wand for Facebook. You'll get an email from JVZoo notifying you that you've been approved. There should be a link in that email that can get you right back to this page where it'll give you, you'll log in to JVZoo. It's going to give you the link in an email, and it should take you as you log in right to this page. And then what you'll notice is now under status, your status will have updated, and it'll look exactly like this. It's going to say get links. And so that's where you're going to get your specific link that you're going to share with anybody who you've interacted with that tells you, yes, I'd like to have more information about the resource you're using to build your business through Facebook. So you'll literally, your link will never change. This will be coded directly to you. It's your personal specific link that is tied to you. And so you'll literally come in here, you'll click on get links, and technically you only need to do this once. If you save it somewhere where you can get to it easily, you don't need to log into JVZoo every time to do this. And so you're going to have your own link when you do that. So let me show you again. You're going to come in, you're going to go to your status, right? Once you get to the specific page for the Network Marketing Sponsoring Magic Wand for Facebook, you're going to come in here, and underneath your status, you're going to click on get links. And then again, you can kind of just copy and paste this link and save it somewhere where it's easy for you to get to. And then just so you can see what happens when someone clicks on your link, they're going to get right back to the exact funnel that I already showed you. But this time, again, it's coded to you. You see this up here where it says AID, that's your affiliate ID. So your number will be different than the one you're seeing here. This is just the one I set up for testing. But now they're getting to the exact funnel page. However, they're getting here with your specific link, okay? Same exact page, same exact information, okay? And so then if they end up hitting the buy now button, you guys, you're gonna end up earning just about 50 bucks, even if they don't join Visayo. So we're fired up about this because we wanna put you guys just like Dallin in position to win. And we want to incentivize you to be prospecting so that you can build your Visayo business to gold and to diamond and beyond. But we also want to help you guys start to have that additional stream of income. And so we thought, man, if we can start to help you guys make some money for the effort you're going to put out in order to prospect, to build your Visayo business, then now we're really helping you win, because now you can get paid even if they don't join your Visayo business. Again, all the same steps that you're going to need to be taking anyway for the specific purpose of building your Visayo business. But for all of those people that you come across that just aren't looking to switch companies, now you can add value to them even if they don't make a move. And again, guys, you want to operate with an abundance mentality. There's more than enough to go around out there. And so let's help other network marketers achieve their dreams too. They don't have to only do it in Visayo. It'd be great to have everybody join Visayo. And some of the people you end up sharing this product with, they're going to remember you for it. They are going to reach a point where their company does something that alienates them and that they're looking to switch opportunities. And now you're going to be top of mind because you're the person who shared a resource with them that'll help them succeed in building their business. And so we're fired up for you guys to have this. Again, so to just go back through the steps, the document itself, you guys, the actual product is available to you if you're on our team, right? Inside of our closed, private, secret Facebook group, you can already access this. I think you click on the Files tab and then you can download this. Please don't share it. It is protected under copyright law, but you have access to it so that you have the manual so that you can start using the steps. You can implement this in your own prospecting and sponsoring. So you have the entire step-by-step guide, okay? And so in addition to you using it for your own prospecting, again, when you come across people who just aren't looking to make a move, you now can share with them the link to this specific web page right here. And I'll put that in the post where I post this video. And again, first, before you share this link with anybody, you make sure you come over to jvzoo.com, create a free affiliate account, and then if you click on affiliates, I know I'm reiterating what I already shared, click on find products, and then over in the search bar on the right, click on the word keyword, type in the words magic wand, click search, okay? And then when this page loads, you're going to find the product. Here it is, the Network Marketing Sponsoring Magic Wand for Facebook by Legacy Launchpad. You're gonna click it, and you're going to request to become an affiliate, which would normally be right here. And then once you're approved as an affiliate, you'll get an email. And then anytime somebody that you refer to this page right here, because again, they use a smart cookie, so it's coded to you, you're gonna make roughly $50 instantly as soon as they buy. So guys, we're excited to give you this additional stream of income, this additional resource. We want you guys doing the steps you need to do to build your Visayo business. And if we can add a little incentive to that by monetizing your efforts, even if they don't ever join you in Visayo, now we know we're really helping you guys win, because you're going to do more of the activity you need to do to build your Visayo business in the first place, but you're also going to have an additional stream of income so that a bunch of the people that you come across who just aren't looking to switch companies, you can add value to them, make some additional income for yourself, and everybody wins. So guys, we're fired up that you have access to this. If you have questions, reach out to us. Let's go bless lives. Let's go help people. Let's go build dreams.